In the annals of history, few names resonate with as much power and intrigue as Cleopatra. She was the last pharaoh of ancient Egypt, a queen whose legend transcends time. Her story is one of ambition, intellect, and an unyielding fight for her kingdom's sovereignty. Cleopatra Septimo Pilopator, a name synonymous with power, beauty, and political genius. Born into the Ptolemaic dynasty, a Greek-speaking lineage ruling Egypt, her early life was steeped in royal tradition. She was educated in the finest traditions, mastering multiple languages and subjects. Her intellect was as sharp as her ambition, preparing her for the tumultuous world of ancient politics. At just 18, she ascended to the throne, co-ruling with her younger brother, Ptolemy XIII. However, power struggles and family feuds quickly plunged her reign into uncertainty. She was exiled, but her spirit remained unbroken, seeking alliances to reclaim her rightful place. Her path soon crossed with Julius Caesar, the formidable Roman general, who arrived in Egypt amidst civil war. Their legendary first meeting, with Cleopatra famously smuggled in a rug, marked a turning point. Her charm, intelligence, and political astuteness captivated Caesar, forging a powerful alliance. With Roman backing, Cleopatra regained her throne, solidifying her position as Egypt's sole ruler. Their union bore a son, Caesarion, a symbol of their intertwined destinies and ambitions. Cleopatra's visit to Rome was a spectacle, leaving an indelible mark on Roman society. She brought Egyptian culture and luxury, influencing fashion and art in the heart of the Republic. However, Caesar's assassination shattered her dreams of a unified Roman-Egyptian empire. She returned to Egypt, facing an uncertain future, as Rome plunged into another civil war. The political vacuum left by Caesar's death led to the rise of the Second Triumvirate. Among them, Mark Antony, a charismatic general, sought to consolidate power in the East. Their fateful meeting in Tarsus was orchestrated by Cleopatra, a display of unparalleled grandeur. She presented herself as a goddess, enchanting Antony with her wit, charm, and lavish hospitality. Their alliance blossomed into a passionate love affair, intertwining their personal and political ambitions. Together, they aimed to create a powerful Eastern empire, challenging Rome's dominance. This growing power alarmed Octavian, Caesar's adopted heir, who saw them as a threat. A propaganda war ensued, painting Cleopatra as a seductive foreign queen corrupting a Roman general. The stage was set for a monumental clash that would decide the fate of the Roman world. The Battle of Actium in 31 BCE was a decisive confrontation. Antony and Cleopatra's forces faced Octavian's superior fleet in a fierce naval engagement. Despite their bravery, the tide turned against them, leading to a devastating defeat. Antony and Cleopatra retreated to Egypt, their dreams of empire shattered. Octavian pursued them relentlessly, besieging Alexandria, the last bastion of their power. Facing inevitable capture, Mark Antony tragically took his own life. Cleopatra, ever the strategist, attempted to negotiate with Octavian, hoping to save her kingdom and children. But Octavian intended to parade her as a captive in Rome, a fate she refused to endure. In her final act of defiance, Cleopatra chose her own destiny. Her death by ASP, a symbol of divine royalty, ensured her legacy remained untarnished by Roman triumph. Cleopatra's reign marked the end of the Ptolemaic dynasty and the beginning of Roman Egypt. Yet, her story endures, a testament to her indomitable will and extraordinary influence. She remains one of history's most powerful and enigmatic female figures, inspiring countless tales. Cleopatra, the queen who defied empires, forever etched in the sands of time.